Hello everyone. Today we will learn about Unicode and also solve a numerical conversion problem. Unicode is an international encoding standard. It assigns a unique number to every character, letters, digits, symbols. This standard works across all platforms and programs. Unicode includes almost all written languages in the world. Common types of Unicode: UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32. So, Unicode makes sure that text looks the same everywhere, no matter what computer or software we use. Now let's solve numerical problem. Question: convert 0.865 10 into hexadecimal 16. Step 1. Separate integer part and fraction part. Integer part equals 0 gives in hex, it's also 0. Now we only need to convert the fractional part equals 0.865. Step 2. Multiply the fraction by 16 again and again. Each time, the integer part becomes the next digit in hexadecimal. The fractional part is carried forward for the next step. Step-by-step conversion: 0.865. Multiply 16 equals 13.84. 13 is integer, first hex digit equals d. Fraction equals 0.84. 0.84 multiply 16 equals 13.44. Gives 13 is integer, second hex digit equals d. Fraction equals 0.44. 0.44 times 16 equals 7.04. 7 is integer, third hex digit equals 7. Fraction equals 0.04. Multiply until either fractional part becomes 0 or you reach the required precision number of digits asked in question, for example, 4 or 6 places. Final answer: so 0.865 10 equals 0.dd70a3 16. This is the required hexadecimal conversion. That is all for today. Signing up. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.